how to connect Wix website to Google AdSense. I'm going to show you how you can easily connect the Wix website to Google AdSense. First, open Google Chrome and search for AdSense. Next, click on the first link in the search results to go to the Google AdSense website. Then, click on Sign In and choose the Google account you want to use. Next, enter your password and tap on Next. Here, you will need to enter your website URL. To find this, go to your Wix website and click on Settings from the left dashboard. Scroll down and click on Custom Code. After that, go back to your Wix site's homepage and click on your URL address in the address bar. Copy the URL from the address bar. Return to the AdSense page and paste the copied URL into the appropriate field. Next, select your payment country or territory from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the checkboxes according to your preferences. Now, click on Start using AdSense to complete the connection between your Wix website and Google AdSense.